Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. We have a square right here that we can cut out. Now you can get snips and cut it, but a lot of times it ends up being a real nuisance. Usually I use a sharper screwdriver than this, but let's see what happens. Using the hammer to drive that edge through. Hitting that screwdriver. A lot of times it won't go all the way through one side from one direction. So you go there's your hole. So, I have 4 different kinds of cutters at the Shears. I have the dual wheel that spins different directions. I have nibblers. I have all kinds of cutters. You can use a saw and turn the saw blade backwards. All of them have risk of stuff getting in your eyes. So, this does not. An old man showed me, and I'm old now. So, you can do this without any special tools. Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.